Morning guys, June 2nd, 2025. I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with his AC, he's not cooling. I've worked for him in the past years ago. He's got an issue with this. Said it wouldn't cool over the weekend, so I'll go by, and it's probably an R22 system for what he was saying. So, 22 years old or something. He says he cleaned the outside unit with a hose and probably changed the filter inside. We'll figure it out. Find out what's wrong with it, and hopefully we can fix it for the guy. Miss Molly's enjoying the breeze. Gotta constantly pet her, or she comes for more pets. I gotta give her a bath. She's getting a little gamey there. I don't even know what size it is. I gotta pull the wire off it. Let's see what we got here. Seven point 7.3. When you gonna retire?
I'm not gonna retire, Stephen. I'll slow down. I'll slow down a little bit, but I won't retire.
Kind of like me, I'll die with my boots on.
Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do, you know?
Especially if you own the business, right?
Yeah.
I mean, unless you sell it to some hot-looking chick.
Yeah, but then what will I do? Grow old and fat? No, thank you. I'm fat already enough.
Alright, so let's see what we got here for a capacitor. That's like a big unit. That's a 7.5, so that should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. It's not the capacitor. You're saying that it runs and it shuts off. It might be icing up.
What would cause that, Steve?
Low refrigerant.
Oh, okay.
You changed the air filter?
Yeah, here, down here, yes.
Was it dirty?
Yeah, it was.
Did you try running it after you put the new filter in?
Yeah, I did, and after I cleaned the outside one too. And it did the same thing.
How long did it run for before it shut off?
About 5 seconds, 5-10 seconds.
5-10 seconds?
Maybe a little bit longer, Steve, but I really didn't gauge it.
This unit here shut off, or the unit outside shut off?
The unit outside. I'm not sure about the unit in here.
So this unit's been okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So it probably going off on low pressure or something. All right. Just good to check this shit while I'm here, right?
Yeah.
While I'm here.
Yeah, do what you need to do, Stephen, please.
Yeah, you don't want to be without AC.
No, and like I said, I haven't had it checked in a long time, Steve, so it needs...
Red and green. I think this is red and green. I should run just a fan. Green and red. And I'll hit this button. It should run a fan. Fans are working fine. It's going to be the outside unit. Probably a leaker. Probably a leaker.
You think it's outside, Steve?
We're going to check the outside now. This is all fine. Well, we'll run it out. We'll check it outside and find out why it's shutting off. It's probably low on refrigerant, and it's got a low pressure sensor or high pressure sensor. Yeah. So it's running for a little bit and then shutting off, locking out on one of the safeties.
Yeah.
It actually saved the unit from dying. So if it's low on refrigerant, I mean, I could add some, but it's going to leak out again.
Okay.
This is an old R22 system, I believe. What year?
Stephen, we've been here for about 17 years, and this was already here. So probably, I'd say probably over 20. Now, if it's sleeping, that can be fixed, right?
Not with an old unit like that. You got to replace it.
Okay, just the outside unit?
No, both the inside and outside.
Oh shit!
This is the R22 stuff. They no longer make it. Then they came out with the 410A stuff, and now that they stopped making that, and they come on out with a new one. The new shit's flammable now. I don't want that in my house.
The new, really? So
it's flammable.
So why do they allow that?
You tell me. She's leaning, huh? Ooh.
Is that for drainage?
No, it's not supposed to be leaning like that. The thing, but I'm not too worried about that right now. I'll get it to work. Been working for all these years, right?
Yeah.
It's R22.
Do you have it? Do you have the thermostat on delay?
No, it would be naturally on delay when we turn it on.
I know, but we put it into cooler, and Steven put the 63, and it's not going on.
It's got a 5-minute delay built into it.
Oh, it has a 5-minute delay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll figure it out.
Oh. No, we just need it to go on so Steve can see what it does. But he says it isn't a 5-minute delay, so it hasn't been 5 minutes yet. So hopefully it'll go on. All right. No, neither. I don't even mess with that freaking thing. It's on your phone, so I don't even know. So. It's still off on your end? Yes. Stephen put it down to 63 so it can go on. Because it was in 68. All right. So hopefully in a couple of minutes it'll go on.
So you got to turn it on cooling and turn it down so it runs.
Yeah, keep it on 63 so it runs. Keep it on cool and turn it on so it keeps on running. Okay, all right, cool. All right, bye.
How long have you had that thermostat? Is that something new?
That we had that about 3 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, it might be the thermostat acting up.
Yeah, no, because it like when she opened down to on her, she's at Vogue. It showed that you turn it down to 63.
Oh, she's a teacher?
Yeah.
Well, I'm surprised she's not a hair woman like you.
Nah, she's a teacher.
Yeah, we got pressure. That's good. It's a capacitor. Hear it not start? The compressor's not starting. That might be the capacitor. I just shut it off. That's a good thing.
Okay, good. Maybe today's my luck.
Yeah, maybe. I think it's a capacitor. Because hear it? It didn't want to start. Either that or the compressor. But I think off the cuff here, I'm thinking it's that. Yeah.
Good deal.
Get lucky. Gotta get lucky once in a while.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Do you still take the truck to my father-in-law?
Who is it?
Huh?
Oh, is that your father-in-law?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. He's a good guy.
He is. He's a good guy.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the flipper capacitor, the wire broke.
Okay.
I got the power off. I gotta make sure it's off.
Do you want me to do it inside, Stephen?
No, I could just check it here. As long as there's no power, I'll work on it.
All right.
Got a burnt wire here. So that might even be better. Either way, we're gonna fix it. Make sure I got this probably. Sometimes the back capacitor. Yeah, we're off. Got a burnt wire. Wow, look at that. She's flipping toast. There's a burnt wire. Sometimes what happens is the capacitor is weak. That one's kind of fucking cooked too. Check. That's the common. The 3. I think they got it on wrong. Yeah, they got it wired wrong.
Really?
No, that's a 4-prong. All right, so that should be the common. That's the common. And the purple. Let's check the capacitor on that. See what we're at. Microfarads.
How long ago did you lose your dog, Steve? I think he was always with you.
63. That's reading 63.
Is that good or bad?
64.5. It's a 65, so that's fine. The capacitor's still good. I just got to put a couple of connectors on there, and we should be good. My dog?
Yeah.
I got a new one.
Oh, what kind?
She's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Oh, nice.
She's in the truck.
Oh, cool. They're good company.
Yeah, I mean, dogs are the best.
Yeah.
People suck, but dogs are the best.
I agree with you. Dogs better than people, Steve.
People suck. Dogs are the best.
Yep.
Yep. All right, let me get a couple of connectors and we'll try it. I'll put another couple of new connectors on there, and this one's a little fried too. People are terrible.
Yeah, you're right. I agree with you.
Dogs are friendly.
Unconditional love.
I don't know, they're just good, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, a couple of connectors. You might get lucky.
Oh, I hope so.
Get your heating system fixed over there?
I did. I didn't have to replace it, but what I have to replace is the tank. The end of the summer, that's scheduled to be replaced.
Oh, the oil tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're better off just staying with the oil.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's what I would do. Let's see where I am. I don't know.
You know, and I gauge the cost, you know, like the salon being oil, and I pay for all 3 floors, and we have a spa upstairs, so the heat is on all the time.
Yeah.
And it's 6 of one, half dozen of the other. My house here, gas and the salon oil, you know.
Yeah, it's not cheap.
It's about the same. Neither one of them is cheap.
No.
But they come out the same, and you know, so why change?
And plus, it's a major shit show to try to change it over there because you don't have a lot of room, and it's a business, and you got to go to the cellar, and you know, people want to work, and
yeah, that's why I'm going to do that in the summer. We don't use the oil, so it won't disrupt.
I'm going to put new connectors on it. You know, the capacitor's old,
You do what you need to do, Stephen.
It's still working, and it's still reading okay.
Okay.
So we'll put new connectors on it, and we'll see what happens. I'm all about letting the old lady continue to live at the nursing home here. You know?
Well, she lives a long time.
Yeah, she lived a long time, the old lady, right?
Yeah, you got it.
The grandkids want to do a boob job on her. We want to keep her going, you know.
Yeah.
Keep feeding her the Lipitor. Yeah. All right. Let's no connectors on there, and we'll see. Let's see what happens here. You ready?
Mm.
That's a good sound.
Yeah, very good.
Call the right guy. Someone else would have saw your new system.
I'm sure.
Come out here with their tablet, bend you over to flip and pull.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, nice and warm. See that heat coming out of there? That's what we want. Can't stop a Goodman. The common wire fried off. You got lucky. They call these the brown turd.
What's that?
A lot of guys call these the brown turd.
Really?
Well, they don't like Goodman, so they call it a turd.
Oh shit! Are they bad? Actually, we never had any problems with it.
No, I don't have no problem.
No.
They're just noisy. Yeah. Flipping things fine. Nice and cold. We got nice warm air coming out of here. We're good. Put the new connectors on and it should last, but we won't know until we see.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.